Here we got a 67 Camaro 350. You know, it's a 67 because it's got the vent windows. They should have never got rid of those vent windows. They had them in some of the cars, the Chevys, after 67, but not the Camaros. And you got your cowl hood, which is actually a functional hood. You know, when you have the opening in the front, the air just goes right over. You got to have it where you know the air is coming in through here, and you need a way for the air to escape. This actually gives you ventilation in the hood, new air coming in it. So I always like these damn vent windows. Why the hell did they get rid of them? It'd be pretty wild. You had a kid, you just put a vent window in your car, man. You know, you wouldn't even need. Like I said, if you put a fan on the dashboard and you got vent windows, the fan is for when you're stopped. You don't even need it. I remember not having air conditioning in cars all the time in the summer, and using those vent windows, I was like, no problem. You know what I mean? I don't think that's the Beatles. That's some other stuff. They sound like them, but anyway. Man, this freaking YouTube, you're like, you can't fucking play music with that thing back there. Like, piece of crap. I don't even want to hear that shit. They tell you the truth. But nice color too with yellow. I like the yellow better than red. And yellow accented with the black stripes is nice. You know, just yellow, yeah. Yellow with the black stripes and the black interior, that kicks freaking ass, man. Definitely kicks ass. And you know, this thing looks like it's all seriously period correct with the BF Goodrich radial TAs and the type of wheels that are on there. It's got disc brakes. Ooh, that's something else. I remember when disc brakes came out, I said, those things are stupid. I said, they were stupid when they first came out. The only reason I like disc brakes is because at least you could stop in a puddle, you know. But to tell you the truth, drum brakes got more power than disc brakes. It's just that you can't stop in a puddle. If you look at the tractor trailers on the back rear tires and stuff, the drums are like disc because you got more surface area. If you got a drum with the cooling fins on the drum and stuff, they work pretty good. Just they're no good in wet. I mean, some of the old technology is not so damn bad as some people say, you know. Just they're always trying to sell you something new, right? But it's a nice color too, and it's, you know, when you got a color like solid like this, definitely the way to go, because if you get a chip in it, you can blend it in. If you got some freaking flip-flop metallic or some crap, you don't want to be messing with that.